Hello guys! Welcome back to Bonus Kitchen. Today I'm gonna share an easy dessert recipe. The cream cheese flan. If you love leche flan and cream cheese, this is perfect for you. It only needs few ingredients and they're very easy to make. Are you ready? Let's get baking!
The ingredients that we will need are 5 large eggs, 1 can evaporated milk, 1 can condensed milk, 227 grams cream cheese, 1 cup white sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. To start, add the sugar in a pan over medium heat. Once it's slightly melted, give it a stir. And once it's completely melted, transfer it into an 8 inches baking pan. And set this aside. Now, in a bowl, add the cream cheese. Cream it using a hand whisk, or you can also use hand mixer. Then add in the 5 eggs. Then add the evaporated milk, condensed milk, mix them together, and add in the vanilla extract. Continue mixing until well combined. Now, sieve the mixture onto the baking pan. Cover this with foil and transfer it onto a baking tray and pour a bit of water and bake this in a preheated oven of 150 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 1 hour, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. After baking, let it completely cool before unmolding and before serving. And here's our finished product! Cream cheese flan is a creamy dessert that perfectly blends the richness of flan with the tanginess of cream cheese. This smooth, creamy, and slightly tangy treat is topped with a decadent caramel sauce.
Thank you for watching today's episode. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and turn on the bell. See you next time!